Oh no! My drag light's gone! Alright, see what kind of drive shaft wheel welcome lamp, man. You whore!
Boo, you whore.
Hello, creatures of the deep. It is I, the tow truck guy. Let's go tow a semi-truck. It's a boom truck. I don't know what model. I have a license plate though and a location, so let's go get her done. Alright, we made it. Ready to get to work. Excuse me, door. I'm trying to exit you. He parked on the cab, which is not ideal, but I think we can make it work. So this here is a Freightliner FL70 boom truck. It's got a drill attachment. It's got some spades there. It's got some nice stairs. 2-axle in the rear. Alright, let's get this pig loaded up. Let's get it over and get it fixed. Looks like he's got a synthetic line up there. Nice! It should be the standard yeller. Yeah, I said yeller. Oh, but I lied because it's a 4-wheel drive, man. That sucks. Alright, give me just a second. We're going to figure out where to hook this pig. Check at your wheel. Alright, let's go. Let's see what I've got. I think all my wides are on the other side. So I'm probably going to want these. I'm just going to hook to the axles. Because I'm probably just going to hook right here on this plate here. See if these are big enough. They are not. So we're going to have to go right here. Which those will be fine there. We could even go inside. But we'll go outside if I can reach. And those will be fine there. So let's do that. So I hope you guys are all having a great, I think it's a Wednesday. You won't see this till Saturday though. Mainly because I just moved and I don't have Wi-Fi yet. I should be getting Wi-Fi today, Wednesday, July 15th, 1943. Oh, excuse me. You son of a bitch! A woman's gotten such a helpful hand, eh? Cutest damn hands. Did you know there was a car coming? Did you? Okay. Out. I don't believe I'll be able to reach the outsides. So we're gonna have to go insides. Which is fine if you're stupid like me. Excuse me. Oh, you son of a nice woman. Alright. Okay. We've got to adjust just a hair. There's these four-wheel drive, all these trucks with a drive axle on the front are a wee bit of a pain to deal with, in my special opinion. Got to get more centered on her, which we can do if we're careful. Right there. We'll try that. A little closer. Okay, we're gonna hit. We got it on that side. Let's see if we can get her on this side. Come here, Mr. Remote. I need you to be a part of my family. Yeah! Okay. Power, 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 power remotes! Frickin' suck! In, up, in, up, in, up, in. And then she's mine. She's all mine. See? Up goes Daisy! Alright, so what kind of drive shaft we're working with, man? You whore! Sorry. It's a push out. Oh good, it's a manual. So, since we are not going far, we will not be pulling that. As we're literally going around the block. Okay, Kevin? And I am personally not in the mood to press out a drive shaft today. Especially on an old ass Freightliner. The seatbelt doesn't work. Groovy. Alright, let's strap this pig down. Let's get the hell on out of here. Someday, somehow. All right. So yeah, we're going around the block, so I'm not too worried about pulling that drive shaft out. With it being a manual transmission, and we're only going not even a mile, so yeah, we're gonna leave it. It'll be fine for that distance. I just put it around the T-bar. I didn't put it in the fork holder. Yeah. Call me lazy. Call me all sorts of names. It'll just hurt my feelings, that's all. But I am not in the mood, nor do I have the batteries to press one out. So, yeah, I forgot my batteries today, okay? They're charging at the house. Why don't you put an inverter on that damn truck and charge them on the truck? You see, that'd be intelligent. And babe, I ain't intelligent. You want to put that on there? Don't look at me like that with the stain. Don't look at me with the stain, lady.
Building goats. That's killed my horse.
Yeah, we were building goat fence and goat enclosure all weekend. So we're both a little tired. But that's okay. Just being tired never hurt nobody. Oh. That's when you do the TikTok trend of kicking this cone and accidentally kicking a big metal pot, breaking your foot, falling to the ground dead. Or headbutting something, I don't know. Needless to say, we're ready to rip, tater, chip. Let's go. Alright, you just saw half-ass. That was half-ass. But we're literally going down there. So, all I gotta do is flip around and go down there. So, yeah. No drag lights because we're in the middle of nowhere. Well, not nowhere, but there's no traffic over here. And, we'll leave that drive shaft in because we're not going far enough, and I am not pressing it out today with no batteries. So it'll be all good in the hood.
Is it already in neutral?
Yeah.
You don't have to carry anything up to it?
No. All right, we'll see you at the drop location in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, we're rolling up now. Took me all of 5 minutes to get here. It was brutal. But we made it. We'll run inside and see where Mr. Scott Hutchinson wants this bad Larry. We've been busy, so I haven't been able to fix the winch cable on the Peterbilt. I wanted to take it on this one, but it's all good. We'll get time eventually. Get time eventually. All right, let's get drunk. I say all right a lot. All right. 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 All right, guys. Let's take off our light bar. Take off our strap for our drive line and yeah. Oh no! My drag light's gone! Whoa. Yeah, I didn't put my drag lights on. You remember that. Clickbait! Holy shit, she can stand under here? What, is she 4 foot nothing? She's 4'11", guys. And she is the most stunning creature in all the land. Oh, and I just ripped ass and golly!
Why would you do that by me?
It'll make me want to puke. It actually pisses me off how you can stand up under here.
Because you're jealous?
Yep.
I definitely don't hit my head very often.
And when you do, you know it's really low. This turd's got some weight to her. Alright. Now I'll jump back up in here. Set these brakes. Here's... Ooh, it's starting to get warm. It's been a really warm here in Utah these past few days. This weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and I think even Monday, were over 100. Saturday and Sunday were 105, I think was the high. And today it started out nice and cool because it rained all day yesterday. But now that sun's coming out from behind those clouds, and now it's humid. Oh, I live in Louisiana, you don't know humid. Well, I don't live there. I live in Utah, and this is humid to me. Alright? I'll come play in Louisiana heat for a week if you come and play in Utah heat for a week. That way we both have understandings on different types of hot. Alright, there she is. All done. Alrighty, that's gonna do it here. We got it dropped off, safe and sound. We're good to go. You guys like this kind of stuff? I've got plenty of videos on here. You guys can go back through and watch if you like the random speech I have. If you guys liked it, throw a like down. I appreciate the likes, all the comments, whatever you got for me. Yeah, everything here is free except the tone. So give it a like, it's free. Subscribe, it's free. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for coming along.
Peace.